Allen counties in Oklahoma.
Norman has issued a tornado warning for northeastern Love County in southern Oklahoma, northwest Marshall County in southeastern Oklahoma until 11:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:19 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 4 miles north of Marietta, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Maudeal, Lebanon, southeastern Lake Murray, and Oakland. This includes Interstate 35 between mile markers 17 and 21. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.